Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. This is the first trade that I took on the 4th of January. It was a trade on GJ. And as you can see right here, you're just seeing me enter and figuring out what my lot size is going to be. As you know, for every trade that I take, I only risk 1% of my overall trading account. So once I'm done entering the trade on MetaTrader, what you see me doing here is just setting everything up on TradingView. What I'm simply doing is putting where my entry was, where my stop loss is, and all the levels that I need to manage this trade. And if you look here, here are the results of the trade. This was the first trade that I took, and it was actually a loss. You can see that was my entry candle, that little yellow box there. And you can see price wicked me out right there, those two candles, and I was knocked out. So simply after I entered, you can see price came down, knocked me out, and then a strong bullish candle came right after that candle that knocked me out of the trade. And for this trade, as you can see, I walked out with a negative $7.60, but because of charges, it came out to about $8.30. Again, I'm not really concerned because I know that my risk management style, or what I've chosen as my risk management plan, works. Sure, I've just lost $8.30, but I know that over time, my wins will cover these losses. And as you can see, I am prepping for my second entry of the day. Right here, I'm just working out the lot size for that trade. So after the candle that took me out, the next candle just after that was actually a entry candle for me. So I don't dwell on the loss that I just took. Instead, when my system tells me re-enter, I re-enter. I figure out what my lot size is going to be to ensure that I'm risking only 1%, and I don't hesitate, and I re-enter. As you can see, this was the trade, the second trade. That little line right there is my stop loss, and that line there, 156.063, that is my entry candle. You can see it was a very strong bullish candle that was respecting support. So as you can see from this clip, that price just hit my 2R level, that red line, which means price practically has moved up 2% of what I risked. Right here, what you see me doing is just moving my stops into profit, and that's how I trade. When price hits 2R, I don't close the trade completely. Instead, all I do is trail my stops, which means I'm opening myself up to larger trades that could hit 5R, 10R, whatever it is. As you can see here, price did actually hit my 4R level. I couldn't record it because I was on my way somewhere, but here I came in, price hit my 4R level, which simply means I can move my stops to 3R. You can see right there by the arrow. So practically this means that I've locked in 3% for this trade. Okay, and as you can see, this was a little while later. Price had kind of hit my stop loss. I'm not sure really what happened here. As you can see, I have MetaTrader on one side and TradingView. On MetaTrader, there's this wick candle that wicked me out, but I can't see it on TradingView. So on TradingView, there wasn't that very long wick that knocked me out, but at the end of the day, I was still knocked out. I don't know if it was my broker that was doing something suspicious, or TradingView was an error, but nonetheless, I was knocked out of this trade. And as you can see, I made $16.28, but of course, you have to take into consideration charges. So thank you guys for watching. This has been Trading at Home, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content such as this, where you see me entering live and managing the trade live. So thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.